Right. Next, before we discussed voltaic cell or the galvanic cell, then coming to the next one, dry cell. The other type of cell is dry cell, which is already I show you. Then again I am showing you. Right, this is a dry cell using in our day-to-day life. So observe that it has some metallic sheet, a metallic sheet, and also have a metal cap here. The other side is a metal plate. So whenever we break it, we observe that inside there is a block rod is present. A block rod is present. So how do batteries help electricity? Dry cell. A dry cell or electric cell is a safe and portable source of electricity. Portable in the sense we can easily carry to different places, no problem. Has why it is called as a dry cell? Before, whenever we discussed about voltaic cell, there we have taken a liquid electrolyte like a dilute sulfuric acid, or in case of lemons, we have taken liquid electrolyte. What is electrolyte? Which conduct electricity. Which conduct electricity. Then example for, so as dry electrolyte used instead of liquid electrolyte. So a moist paste of different chemical substances, like ammonium chloride, ammonium chloride, ammonium chloride plus zinc chloride, zinc chloride, ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. The moist mixture, the solid moist mixture of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride acts as a electrolyte. So in this diagram, this acts as a electrolyte. Acts as electrolyte. So this is not a liquid electrolyte. It is a moist solid mixture or moist solid electrolyte, moist paste electrolyte. It has a metal plate as such. It has a metal plate. Already I showed you, right? Right there, and when we break this dry cell, we observed that a black small carbon rod is present. So here this is a carbon rod. This is carbon rod. Better highlight eyes. Right, this is a carbon rod, and this is an electrolyte. Electrolyte is ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Some cases used manganese oxide also. Manganese oxide also used. Manganese oxide also used. Then it has a metal cap. So this metal cap acts as a anode, and carbon rod acts as a cap. Right. sorry, metal cap color. So it is consisting of a metal cap and graphite rod, and also has inside it has another sheet of metal, that is a zinc plate. Is a zinc plate also considered. So this is acts as a anode. Zinc plate acts as a anode. Carbon rod or the graphite rod. Carbon rod or the graphite rod acts as a cathode. So and it has this zinc plate anode, electrolyte and cathode, graphite rod all are covered with outer case. Covered with outer case of any metal. Outer case of any metal. That means, so this small zinc sheet plate acts as a anode. Then inside the carbon rod acts as a cathode. Acts as a cathode, and the mixture of ammonium chloride or zinc chloride plus manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide some cases also used as a electrolyte. So just wait. Right, let's see dry cell. So here I break down the dry cell and I will show you each one. So a small carbon rod is present in here, and you observe that a black substance is present, that is moist mixture, and outer coating also is there. So whenever we remove these all, also you can see the metal rod, carbon rod is present here. So you also check in if any discharged battery, break it down carefully and observe that a carbon rod or graphite rod is present, and you see the metal cap. The other side, so the other side also has a zinc plate. It has a small zinc plate. It acts as a anode, and this copper rod acts as a anode. That black substance acts as a electrolyte. These all are covered with a metal sheet. A metal sheet consists of two terminals. One is the positive terminal, then other one is the negative terminal. Right? So this is about the dry cell. This is about the dry cell. So if it is possible, please you have to break the any unused or discharged dry cell. So simple representation you can draw here. So a dry cell consisting of two terminals. It has one metal cap. So positive terminal and negative terminal. Inside there will be a metal, there will be carbon rod, and the other end of the dry cell has a zinc plate. It acts as a cathode. It acts as an anode, and this carbon rod acts as a cathode. Inside there will be a paste. A chemical paste is present here inside. So that is called as electrolyte. It is called as electrolyte. So I break down the used dry cell and observe that and I show this to you. So the all those metal cap, carbon rod, electrolyte, zinc plate and all thing, right? So this is about dry cell. So dry cell consists of two terminals, positive and negative terminal, electrolyte, cathode. Cathode is a carbon rod, anode is a zinc plate. Ammonium chloride plus zinc chloride acts as an electrolyte. So these dry cells are portable, then we can carry easily for different places, no problem, and use this and also called as a primary cell. This is also called as a primary cell. So they cannot be recharged. They cannot be recharged. Once the chemical energy is completely converted into electrical energy, then it doesn't work. Then we can say that discharged dry cell or discharged battery. Some cases, whenever we place it outside under the sun, so due to heat, some chemical energy, heat converted into chemical energy, and chemical energy to electrical energy converted for little extent only. So dry cell is not a rechargeable cell. Once if it is the power or the chemical energy of electrolyte is completed, then it won't works. So it is used in different purposes in our day-to-day life. So toys, clocks, remotes, wristwatches, flashlights, torches, toys, radios, hearing aids, right? So different kind of batteries we are using in our day-to-day life. So this is about dry cell. Then next topic and the last topic is rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries. Whatever we discussed here, voltaic cell or the dry cell, restore dry cell is not a rechargeable battery or not a rechargeable cell. But let us discuss rechargeable batteries. A dry cell, as we know, a dry cell is for single use only. A dry cell is only for single use. So after if it is completed, then we must use the new one. So once the chemical unit completed, it will be not working. Then we should replace it by new one. But nowadays, a rechargeable batteries are using in our day-to-day life. Different types of electrodes, so electrolytes. Different rechargeable batteries are there. So rechargeable batteries having different types of electrodes. We know what is electrodes. Different types of electrolytes. We know electrolytes also, right? So phone batteries, mobile batteries, then car batteries, laptop battery, then camera batteries. These are all the rechargeable batteries. So once if the charge is completed, then by putting the charge again they work as usually in our day-to-day life. Different types of rechargeable batteries like nickel chromium, lead ion, lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, nickel metal rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries are convenient to use, but they have some disadvantages. They have some disadvantages. Some of these batteries like lithium ion battery. So lithium ion batteries are more expensive. Mobile phone batteries, you have to observe that lithium ion batteries, nickel, chromium, lead ion, lead sulfuric acid, different electrodes, different electrolytic solutions are used. Some cases what will happen, they are explosive. They can explode due to overcharging whatever, right? The acid and metals batteries can lead to fire. Acid, sulfuric acid, lead, sulfuric acid, any metal rechargeable batteries. Simply you can say that inverters. We are using inverters in our day-to-day life. They are rechargeable batteries. Inside the sulfuric acid acts as a electrolyte. Some metal rods also present. They acts as a anode. So some cases these may cause electric fire, and they have limited time of lifetime. Some causes environmental pollution. So this is about our topic, how do batteries generate electricity. We discussed the story behind the cell, voltaic cell or the galvanic cell, dry cell, rechargeable batteries. So nothing but simply we can say that inverters, acid metal batteries, inverters, lithium ion batteries we are able to see in the mobile phones. Once even they completed by putting by giving the charge, then again they work as usual. But these dry cells, once they completed, they won't work again and again. We must replace them with a new one. That's all. So with this topic, we have completed the total chapter of class 8th, first chapter, electricity, magnetic and heating effects. So these batteries, dry cells, voltaic cell are under a little topic regarding to chemical effect of electric current. So mainly three effects happen. One is the magnetic effect, heating effect and chemical effect. We discussed magnetic effect and heating effect. Some little part of chemical effect also discussed here in case of cell. In higher studies you will learn about chemical effects of electric current. So that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, to share my channel, and like the videos. Thank you so much. Signing off.